In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop auto downloads in WhatsApp group. This can be very annoying. You end up receiving photos and videos in your WhatsApp, in your phone gallery, because of the WhatsApp group that you join. Okay, let's sort that problem out once and for all. Okay, let's get started. Open WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp, click on the arrow back button, then locate the group chat. Maybe it's this group here. Then I don't want to be receiving photos and videos from this group in my phone gallery due to auto download. What do? Tap on the three dots there, then click on group info. Okay, then click on media visibility. Make sure that media visibility is set to no, because by default it will be yes. If you click on no, the media from this group chat will not be automatically downloaded to your gallery. Okay, then just click OK. If you found help in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.